At NISYS Solutions, we're known for world-class automation and manufacturing execution systems. Now, we're bringing that same expertise to support your existing equipment and facilities through our automation support services. Whether you're implementing new systems or optimizing current ones, NISYS Solutions is here to help. Our team offers a full range of services, including PLC programming, robot programming, HMI development, vision system integration, hardware integration, mechanical and electrical design, robot simulations, cycle time analysis, and panel design and build. From one-day troubleshooting to ongoing hands-on support, we're ready to help elevate your manufacturing operation. Contact us today and let's get started. NISYS Solutions, automation that works so you can move forward with confidence.